I'm gonna try pig brain today. It's called Tuslob Buwa. So we'll see how it is. Onion on it. Chili, okay, onion, chili. This looks in dip and then buwa is bubbles. Dip and bubbles. Wow. Alright guys, see how it's bubbling right now? That's exactly where you want it to be. So pretty much you want to get one of these things called penguin rice, and it's like rice and banana leaves, and then you just dip it in the pig brain. So I got the Tuslob Buwa here. It's good. Okay, it's good. It's okay. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Alright. This meat, it's just meat. Okay. Good. Do my best not to try and think that as brain. Okay. Going down, it's like a very soft paste. It's hot, very hot. Like salty a little bit. Good flavor. I like the flavor of the garlic mixing in, or the onions mixing in with it. Really good. Can really taste the green chili in it. So it's a lot of onions, chilies, and the brain. So, it's very soft. Very, very soft. Just almost like eating black beans, but like a little onion flavor. Texture of smushed black beans and garlic, and not bad at all. Just don't think it's brains. So it's not bad. Not bad at all. Give it, I don't know. Flavors pretty good. I can't compare it to other ones because I've never tried. But overall, it tastes good, and I'd recommend trying it at least once. So we have ganabot, which is pig intestine right here, as you can see. So soy sauce dipping with it. So I'm gonna try a piece right here. Test it. I like the look of the isao a lot more than this. Because this really just looks like an intestine right now. But we'll try this, alright? Yeah, not bad. It tastes like this one part of the lechon, just a random part of it, but it tastes like chicharron. So it's like the pig chicharron, but a little softer. So the intestine. So not bad at all. That's not bad. That's how it looks again. Alright. Definitely good with rice. It's almost like a fried oyster mush, like a very, very crispy fried oyster mushroom, or like a very fried chicken skin. So definitely recommend pig intestine.